biggest airdrop of the year, Kwenta Exchange Edition. If you're poor, this is the way to try to make it, since many airdrops can be $50,000 each. What's going on, everybody? My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. Today we're going over this one, Kwenta Exchange. They don't have a coin yet. They are on Optimism. We're gonna do a couple of swaps. We're gonna use this guy Twitter account. I'm gonna follow all the steps to see what exactly we need to do. I'm gonna do this live with you, how to tutorial, and basically if you like what you see, subscribe. All the links for everything that I'm gonna use will be in the description below. With that being said, let's get started with $50,000 potential airdrop. How crazy is that? Yeah. First things first, make sure I'm recording. That's good. I'm gonna leave this link. Whoever sent this my way on Twitter, thumbs up and subscribe. Basically, I just got into Twitter again in the last 2 weeks. There's some good people there, good gems, okay? Good gems on Twitter. A lot of spam, don't get me wrong. But sometimes you find some nuggets that can make like a yearly salary for a lot of people. So we're gonna follow these steps. I open all those steps right here. This is gonna be Optimism, Kwenta, a little bit Hope Exchange, Arbitrum, and Uniswap. So let's get to it, okay? So this is derivatives monkey, okay? Link to this person Twitter below. Allow me to leak you guys some alpha for the fellow airdrop hunters. This step-by-step guide will make use of many platforms that haven't released a token yet. If you're poor, this is the way to try to make it, since many airdrops can be $50,000 plus each. This is no joke. DYDX was a $50,000-$60,000 airdrop. If you just deposit like $100 or traded with like $100-$200 was insane, and USA people were not eligible. You can send a letter to your congressman or something that they protect you from getting free money. Unbelievable. Let's see what we got for this farmer. Okay, so we got here start. Some steps I'm gonna pass because I've done it in my other videos, but I will definitely link this Twitter tutorial in the description. Basically saying gather some Ethereum, which I have for this specific tutorial, bridge this Ethereum to Optimism using the gateway Optimism, and then swap your Ethereum to SUSD. Why are we doing this? Because Kwenta right here is built like synthetic stuff. It's actually a great exchange. Why Kwenta? I haven't heard about it before. Just when I start to search stuff, it's built on Optimism. Okay, Optimism and Ethereum layer 1. And basically, you see S Bitcoin, S Ethereum. Everything is built on synthetic. S is for synthetic coin. Also super undervalued, but that's a different story. Trade real world assets and derivative on Ethereum, and you got yourself, you can trade a lot of stuff. I've seen forex, commodities, basically everything that you need to do. Okay, here we go. Commodities, short, crypto, forex, equities, basically everything that you can think of. You just add the letter S, and it's basically a synthetic, powered by synthetic. This is a very undervalued coin. No one talks about synthetics because everyone are chasing OM and all the forks that are giving you a gazillion percentage. We'll see how that works. That's not for this video. Anyway, so that's why we're gonna swipe some Ethereum to SUSD. Okay? So let's get started. We're gonna send first of all stuff. We're gonna send Ethereum to Optimism because we need some money on Optimism. And on Optimism, we're gonna use Uniswap to swap some Ethereum to SUSD. and let's get to it. This is a nice picture. And then go to Optimism Uniswap, swap your SUSD to Ethereum, bridge it to Ethereum using HOP, we've done. Bridge it to Arbitrum, we've done. Swap your Ethereum to Magic Internet Money meme using Sushi. I've already used the Sushi before, I don't understand the point for this, but you can do this. Bridge Ethereum back to mainnet using Hop Exchange, we've done. And deposit some Ethereum to wallet zksync, which we have done in the tutorial yesterday. So all in all, my past videos should hopefully get you 40-50 grand, hopefully. By doing so, okay, we have covered a number of untokenized platforms: Optimism, Kwenta, Hop Exchange, Arbitrum, and zksync. So since I've done a video on zksync and Arbitrum and Hop Exchange and Optimism, today's focus will be to use a little bit of Kwenta and see how that goes. Don't be too greedy and farm it with a crazy number of accounts in case you will get blacklisted. So don't just have 10 MetaMasks and do everything together. Yeah. Shout out to this person. Let's get started. Yeah. So I'm on Hope Exchange. This becomes my favorite bridge to bridge between everything so far. And I have 0.02 ETH, okay, on Polygon, which is $100. Let's see how far $100 takes us. If we can get $50,000 from 2% Ethereum, so be it. So I'm sending this to Optimism because on Optimism I can switch Ethereum to SUSD and then use it on Kwenta. That's the key here. So I'm sending my max balance. Let's do 0.02 just to make it nice. See how much it costs in fees. You send between Polygon to Ethereum layer 2 Optimism. I'm gonna get 0.0182 for a fee of 0.0017, which comes to about $6-7. Okay, let's click send. $7 instead of 100, 200, whatever on Ethereum. Switch to Medic, sure. Send 0.02 rep ETH from Polygon to Optimism. It's not rep ETH, it's ETH, but let's see. And I'm getting 0.0182 ETH. Okay, I should get O ETH. We're gonna see live how much I get. What do I get? Send Medic 0.08 confirm. Let's see. And yeah, I'll get back to you once this is done. Okay, so this step is done. Now let's go check what's going on. So we're gonna go here, Optimism, and you see I already I got my 0.018. That's good. And I can send it to Ethereum mainnet, which I will do, but that's probably at the end of the video because I haven't done this step, use Optimism bridge. I'll do that probably at the end of the video just to make sure I'll get airdrop. But the key here is that we need to go, let's read it again, we need to do SUSD to use Kwenta. Okay, so gather some Ethereum, bridge it to Optimism, done. Swap your Ethereum to SUSD using Uniswap. That's what we're gonna do. And then swap SUSD to SETH at Kwenta. Okay. And swap it back to SUSD to create volume. So he said do like 2 free transactions instead of just 1. So we're gonna swap Ethereum to SUSD using Uniswap, and then we're gonna swap SUSD to SETH back and forth. So let's go here. This is Ethereum. This is a Uniswap on Optimism. Okay, all the links in the description. Optimism, we already used that, but we're gonna use it again. Already, you see, my balance is 0.018 Ethereum from what I just got. I just put 0.001464, $4, $5, and I'm gonna swipe it to SUSD. Okay, 0.001 ETH to SUSD, synthetic USD stablecoin, 464 on Uniswap on Optimism. Okay, confirm swap. transaction. Let's see how much this one cost us. I'm gonna pay total of 0.001908, which is Optimism Ethereum. That's not bad at all. I think it's like, I don't know, a couple of bucks. Transaction complete in 1.3 seconds. That's good, success. And now I have a balance of 464 SUSD and 0.016 Ethereum. So now let's go to exchange, Kwenta. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm in Kwenta, layer 2, exchange on Optimism. Again, all the links in the description. And I'm switching. Remember that now we got $4 worth of SUSD. So this thread says here, swap your SUSD to SETH at Kwenta Exchange. This is where we are. Then swap it back to SUSD again to create volume. So he said do like two transactions instead of one, so you won't get flagged and not get an airdrop potential. So let's do, I don't know, $1 for example. So we're switching one SUSD to SETH. Wallet balance 0, wallet balance 465. Gas price, fee. I've never done that. I've never used Kwenta, Kwenta layer 2. So let's see how it works. I'm paying a fee of 0.4%. Fee cost is 0.004. Click submit. Let's see how it works. Okay, interesting. Confirm transaction. Let's see that it actually works. Confirm your transaction through your wallet SUSD1 0.0002 SETH. Exchange fees $1. Okay, so I'm paying for this. Okay, confirm 0.000970 ETH on Optimism. Confirm. Your transaction has succeeded. Cool. Interesting. Let's put this back. Yeah. So I'm waiting for this to finish and then see how it works. Okay. Confirm transaction. And now my wallet balance is 0.02. My wallet balance is here 365. That's pretty cool. Let's put this back. And now it said do a volume. So let's switch. Let's switch between SETH. Okay. My wallet balance is this 0.0002. So let's do like half, like 0.001 back to USD, right? That's what he said. Swap, then swap it back for SUSD again to create volume. What are we doing after that? Go back to Optimism Uniswap and swap USD like the $2 back to Ethereum. No need to do that, and bridge it to Ethereum mainnet using Hop Exchange we've done, then bridge it to Arbitrum, then Sushi, then Hop Exchange again, then zksync. Okay, so basically now I'm sending SETH back to SUSD. I don't know about SUSD, but let's try something special. SE to S Bitcoin, synthetic Bitcoin. No, just to spice things up. 0.002. So I'm sending 0001 ETH to SBTC. Submit order. Okay, just spice it up so they won't flag your account or something. Okay, I'm sending Ethereum to Bitcoin on Optimism synthetic. My fee is absolutely nothing. Starting to like Optimism a little more. Let's do this. Your transaction has been sent to the network. Okay, let's see how that works. Confirm. That's good. And now it says success. Let's see that it's basically pretty good. Your transaction has succeeded. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Let's put this back. So now I have in my wallet, let's see what I got in total. I got SUSD, I got SETH, 50 cents here, SUSD, and synthetic Bitcoin. So now let's just okay. Hopefully that's enough. That's 2 trades in my book is good enough. I got Bitcoin, got Ethereum, I got SUSD. Now, okay, now I'm gonna send money with Optimism. Okay, I'm gonna send money with Optimism Bridge back to Ethereum because I haven't done that step in the original Optimism airdrop video. Next step in this tutorial is to actually use the Optimism Bridge. Okay, so I'm gonna click withdraw from Optimism Ethereum to Ethereum mainnet. I haven't done that. 0.016. That's my max. Let's say 0.01 just for the example. So I'll have a little money and I'm gonna get 0.004 ETH. Let's see how much it cost. Very important, use the Optimism Bridge instead of the Hope Exchange because we already used Hope Exchange, so don't forget to switch it. Withdrawals on standard gateway takes 7 days to claim. You know, I'm just playing around. You'll be rerouted to Hope protocol or seller for an instant withdrawal unless selected otherwise. To learn more, just read. Okay, so let's click see how it works. We're sending 0.01 ETH to mainnet using Optimism Bridge. Hopefully this is another step to get an optimistic airdrop. Withdraw by Optimism. Let's see. Approve the withdrawal. Please note withdrawals are non-cancelable and delayed for 1 week before they can be claimed. Okay, and that's not, I don't care about that. 0.01 ETH, 46 bucks. The fee 0.00097, $4.50. That's good. Fee to complete. Do I really want to complete this by paying 350 bucks? That's the question. So I've decided not to send about I don't know, Optimism Bridge 350 bucks. That's just too much. And if it cost me $50,000 because I haven't used the Optimism Bridge, I'll be super pissed. Most likely, if I'm gonna get an airdrop on all those videos in the next week or two, hopefully in December, then I might if I'm getting free $10,000, I'll throw 350 bucks on Ethereum 7-day bridge on Optimism. Either way, all the links in the description. This is very cool. Follow all these steps. Hopefully you will make $50,000 plus each and use all those protocols right here. Optimism, Kwenta, we just did, Hope Exchange, Arbitrum, and zksync. All the link to tutorials how to use all those protocols in my basically YouTube channel. So subscribe if you like. Ziv Finance After 40. Patreon members get early access, and you can also DM me with all your questions. Link in the description. Hope this was valuable, guys. I will see you next time. Bye bye.